Join me as I take on the challenge of healing my fatty liver by trying out these 10 powerful foods for a whole week. Fatty liver disease is a critical health topic that's often overlooked, despite its growing prevalence. However, it's essential to understand that nutrition plays a significant role in managing and even healing this condition. The truth is, fatty liver disease is on the rise, and it's becoming a significant health concern worldwide. According to the American Liver Foundation, approximately 100 million people in the United States have some form of liver disease, with fatty liver being the most common. What's alarming is that many people don't even realize they have it until it's too late. One of the biggest challenges people face when dealing with fatty liver disease is managing it through diet. It's difficult to know where to start and what foods to eat, especially with all the conflicting information out there. Compounding this problem is the fact that many doctors don't always provide clear guidance on nutrition, leaving patients feeling frustrated and confused. Despite these challenges, there is hope. By making simple changes to your diet, you can start to heal your fatty liver and take control of your health. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 10 powerful foods that can help you do just that. First up, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale. These superfoods are packed with antioxidants and fiber, which help to reduce inflammation and promote healthy liver function. Next, we have berries, which are rich in antioxidants and can help to reduce oxidative stress on the liver. We also have fatty fish, like salmon, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and promote healthy liver function. Then there's olive oil, which is rich in healthy fats that support the liver and improve digestion. Avocados are another powerful food for healing fatty liver, as they're rich in healthy fats and fiber that promote healthy digestion and liver function. We also have nuts and seeds like walnuts and chia seeds, which are high in antioxidants and healthy fats that support the liver. But one of the most surprising foods on this list is turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help to heal the liver. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat liver and digestive issues, and modern research has confirmed its incredible benefits for liver health. What's more, curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress on the liver, making it an absolute game changer for people with fatty liver disease. The benefits of turmeric are further amplified when combined with other liver healing foods, making it a powerful addition to your diet. Turmeric is easy to incorporate into your daily routine, whether you add it to your meals or drink it as a tea. These 10 powerful foods offer a simple yet effective way to start healing your fatty liver and taking control of your health. Remember, diet plays a critical role in managing and healing fatty liver disease, so it's essential to make informed choices about the foods you eat. If you've struggled with fatty liver or have experience with these foods, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more health tips and advice on managing fatty liver disease naturally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.